If you'd like to see how I'm going to take this plain t-shirt and this plain dress and transform it into a cute little Christmas shirt, a DIY Christmas shirt for me and my daughter, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, happy holidays. I know Christmas just passed literally 2 days ago, so forgive me. I thought I'd be able to get this video out beforehand, but I wasn't. So last Sunday, everyone was to wear a Christmas sweater or some type of Christmas attire the Sunday before Christmas. I didn't have anything, so I ended up trying to get creative and I made something for me and my daughter to wear. So this is her Cat and Jack dress, or no, it may be Wonder Nation from Walmart. Just a plain cute little red dress, and I cut out the words Merry Christmas with some glittery heat transfer vinyl with my silhouette Cameo, and I'm just simply going to iron that right on. I'm just using a regular iron. I do have a heat press, but sometimes it's just quicker and I just like to use my iron. So I was like, I want to add a little something else to her dress, just spruce it up a little bit for the holidays. So I was like, let me add some pearls. So I used the fabric fusion glue. Excuse me. If you have E6000, that works also as well. I've been testing out this fabric fusion. It's been doing pretty good. But I will say it does cure in 2 hours, but you want to make sure before you wash the garment that you let it cure for a full 48 hours. So wait a whole 2 days before you decide to actually wash it in the washing machine. And I'll tell you why later on. So I'm taking some I'm taking some gold pearls, and I also have some white pearls as well. And I just want to add it around the words Merry Christmas, just to kind of make the shirt stand out. Well, it's a dress. To make the dress stand out just a little bit more. I'm using my wax pickup tool. It makes it a lot easier to pick up the rhinestones. I know some people like to maybe use their hands, maybe. But I know some people, it looks like they used some sort of tweezer or something. The wax pickup tool works excellent to me. But if it starts to get like a little, I don't know, like a little, not dusty on the end, but you just take it on a piece of paper like you're writing with it and just get like a clean catch. But when you're using it on big pearls, you might just have to pick up the pearls and drop them on, because some stuff is just too heavy and it'll keep falling off. So here's my little white shirt. I got this shirt off Walmart.com. I cut out the word Merry and Christmas. I used red vinyl. Because my shirt is white, I didn't want to just do gold. So I was like, the red would be cute. I could not find the rest of my red, because originally I just wanted to have it say Merry Christmas in red. The Y on the word Merry did not cut out properly. I just didn't have enough vinyl. So I was like, I don't want to make it go to waste. So what I ended up doing is just kind of tracing it, because I was going to trace it anyway with some rhinestones. So I'm going to go ahead and fix it. I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, you can probably see it. It's like a nice little swirl. It just didn't turn out right. And I really like this font. The top font, I think it's called Amanda, if I'm not mistaken. So it says Merry Christmas, and I'm taking the liquid fusion glue, and I usually start from left to right. I just wanted to fix this Y first to make sure that it was going to turn out okay. So that's what I'm doing here. I have my glue already on there, and I'm just kind of getting my rhinestones together. I'm going to use a 5mm red rhinestone, and these are just some regular resin rhinestones, and I'm just going to fill that in. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to add the rhinestones to the word Merry. The word Christmas already is very pretty and glittery. There's no need for me to add anything to that. The reason why I like this glue is because it doesn't have like a harsh smell, and it's non-toxic. Now earlier I was telling you, you have to let this glue cure for at least 2 days straight before you decide to wash it in the washing machine and dry it, because it has to fully cure before you put water on it. I messed around, came home from church and just threw it straight in the hamper when I took my church clothes off, and I didn't even think twice about it until I looked in the washing machine the next day, and I'm like, what is all this noise in the bottom? When I tell you every single last rhinestone was in that washing machine at the bottom, and I was like, oh my God. I'm like, wait a minute, this glue held it down all day at church. And I'm like, oh, I was supposed to wait 2 days. So just make sure you don't make that same mistake. Wait 2 days before you wash it and dry it, and it'll be just fine. It'll be just fine. So again, after adding the rhinestones to the word Merry, I just felt like this shirt needed a little bit more. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did to my daughter's dress, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to add some pearls. So I'm going to add some gold pearls. And I think I added some white pearls as well. I was like, red pearls would be so cute. I thought I didn't have any red pearls. Of course, the next day, I ended up finding some red pearls, and I was like, I could have used those. But it's okay, because it's still really cute. So I'm just going to take my time. I think the pearls I'm using are 10 millimeter. I may put a couple 8 millimeter, but because the globs of glue are a little on the bigger side, and I wanted to make sure that it was covered, I use more 10 millimeter pearls. So I'm almost finished. This is really pretty, and like I said, I was up late making these, and we were able to wear them to church, and they were just fine. So this glue is pretty good, and I like the fast cure time. But again, do not put this shirt in the washing machine until a full 2 days. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of our Christmas attire that we end up wearing to church. The Merry Christmas, the red one is my daughter's dress, and the white one is my shirt that I wore. My youngest daughter, she didn't need me to make her anything because she had a cute little Santa Claus looking sequence dress. So she already had a festive dress to wear for Sunday service before Christmas, and everything turned out really nice. This was something nice and cute and quick, and I hope that you all enjoyed your Christmas. Happy holidays to you all. And I know I'm 2 days shy of Christmas, but this will be very helpful for next year for someone. Or if you want to make a shirt for any occasion, you could be making a shirt for Kwanzaa, for Hanukkah, a Happy New Year's shirt, a Happy Valentine's Day shirt, Happy 4th of July, Happy Juneteenth, whatever type of shirt you like to make. You could just add your heat transfer vinyl, add a couple rhinestones and pearls. It's the same thing, just showing you how the glue that I used worked out just fine. And thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.